Alright guys, welcome back to Finger Lakes Outdoorsman. We're out here on Canadice doing a little kayaking. Hopefully get into some nice bluegills. Let's see, gotta go right. I'm gonna try to find the weed line. We're gonna go right off of it and drop a little that little ice fishing jig with a little sinker. See if we can't get into any. Be nice to get into a bunch of them. Okay, looks like this is gonna be our spot. Got a nice rig there with a Fire Tiger ice fishing jig with tipped with a red worm. Okay, here we go, first drop. Gonna let it sink all the way to the bottom. First we gotta find them, and then I'll throw the anchor down. Kind of gotta let it keep going until it stops. Okay, looks like we gotta fix our rod here. It's impossible to do on a kayak without dipping it in the water. We're falling in. I should have checked this before we came out. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. Let's see what we can't do here. Much better. Drops nice because it's got the tungsten weight on there. Dragonflies are everywhere. Let it keep going down. Okay, now we'll sit here and let it jig for a couple minutes. If we find the school, we'll... Oh, got a nice little hit there. Oh, there we are. First fish. What do we have here? Yeah, that's a little guy. Probably put him back. He liked it. Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. That breeze is just right. It's kind of hard to keep steady. As long as we stay out of the weed line here, we'll be all right. All right, I think we're gonna throw the anchor over. This ought to be interesting. Okay. I'll try to do this without tipping over. Got a nice little anchor here. Send it right down. Kind of got a mess. Pretty deep. Might not be sending it down. Uh-oh. That's never a good thing. Well, I guess we're gonna tie it up and wait to float in. Looks like we ran out of cord here. That's all right. I'll just fish right here. Might want to put another split shot on there. Just gonna let that jig right off the boat. Got a nice little box of jigs. Oh, looks like I got another one. Okay. Looks like another little one, but hey. Oh, what do we got here? Another little bluegill. No keepers yet. That's alright. Still fun. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. Send it all the way to the bottom. Tell you what, they're hitting right here though. Be nice to get like a couple, get into the perch or something. Crappies. Should have got some redworm, minnows from Finger Lakes Bait and Tackle in Lakeville. Nice little bait shop. I've heard they got one and opened one in Sodus recently too, so anybody watching from Sodus area, Gary's a nice guy. See if we can't wrangle in something. Might have lost a school of them. Probably a little, yeah, we might want to move in a little bit. Might have gotten out a little too deep. It's alright though. Just gonna float. I might try to do a little, put a rig on the end of that pole to see if we can't troll it a little later. Beautiful little bluegill. Nice colors. Okay. Thanks for watching Finger Lakes Outdoorsman. Please like and subscribe.